The money they even provide will not be able for the woman to take care of the kids in a month. Parenting, being a dad, head of the family, a mom, your kids. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today we'll be talking about something that is very important. We'll be talking about this topic, parenting, head of the family. I don't know if it is just me that don't understand the meaning of head of the family. When we talk about head of the family, I don't know if it's just me. Do you understand that word? To be head of the family. That they are saying you're the head, right? Of the family. Okay. Many people don't know the meaning of head of the family. Some fathers, they don't know the meaning. Some parents, they don't know the meaning. They think being head of the family is just being someone that have the power to control their family, someone that have the highest say over their family. They don't know the real meaning of a head of a family. So we're here to talk about that today. I'm going to discuss with you guys what I think a head of a family, what it means to me, okay? In most family, the head is the father, is the husband, is the man of the house. But so many fathers, so many husbands fail to realize, fail to understand, in a quote, the word head of the family. They don't know to be the head of the family. It means you will take responsibilities of this family, your kids, your wife, everything in your household. Fine. In case if you don't know, let me tell you, those responsibilities, your kids, your wife, it's not just you going to work, make money, then you give to your woman. You don't do any other thing. So just believe that being a head is just for you to go out there, you work, then at the end of the month you receive money, then you give to your wife, and it ends there. No, it does not end there. Being a head of the family means you're going to provide every means to your family. If your wife can assist you, fine. You need to provide every means. That includes taking care of your kids. When the kids needs you, maybe in their studies, maybe they have a meeting in their schools, maybe they are into sports, maybe they want to go out, you should participate in all those things. It doesn't mean because you provide money, then it's not the wife that will do the rest. When it comes to cooking, when it comes to taking care of the kids, when it comes to taking the kids out, the woman will be the one to do everything. No, you're getting it wrong. To be head of the family means you're going to take responsibility of your family. Valentine, you don't care for your family, you don't care for your wife, you don't care for your kids. All you need, you're just there. Yes, I've given them money, I work, at least I work. Yes, you work, fine. But being head of a family is beyond just working and providing money. You must do some activities with your kids. Bring your kids closer to you as the head of the family. Does not mean you should be shouting all the time. You don't even have time for them. You don't have time to play with them. You don't have time to go out with them. You don't have time to study with them. You tell me you are the head of family. What kind of head of family are you? You have to have a rethink. To be head of a family does not mean just providing money. It's beyond that. You have to be present when they need you. Parents meeting in the school, you will not be there. You are not present in anything, and you say you are the head. What kind of head are you? I don't understand. You think being a head is just providing money? No, you got it wrong. Being a head means everything concerning your kids, your wife, your family, you should take responsibility. Guys, let me know if I am wrong. Let me know on the comment section if I am wrong. Maybe it's only me that doesn't get it right. When they say you are the head of the family, doesn't mean you have to provide money, just money. Then you don't have time for your kids. Weekends, you don't have time for them. Even when you're on holidays, you don't have time for them. When it's time for holidays, you cannot take them anywhere. You say you are the head. No, you better have a rethink. You better have a rethink. Being a head of a family is for you to take total responsibility of your family. You care for your wife, you care for your kids. You care for your wife, you care for your kids. If you don't recognize those activities that you're supposed to do as the head, the woman will not take the crown from you. Then you start saying, nah, you are the man and the woman of the house. Yes, because you gave the crown to your wife. Because when it comes to cooking, when it comes to taking care of the kids, teachers association meetings, everything is the woman. Taking the kids out is the woman. Doing everything about the kids is the woman. You don't even know their levels in school, their level in school, the capability of your kids. You don't even know anything about your kids. All you know, my children, they are my children. I'm the head of the family. I'm the head of the family, my nyash. What kind of head of family are you? You better take responsibility. Responsibility. If you don't know the meaning of being a head of a family, go and study and read about it. To be a head is not just being at home working from Monday to Friday, then it ends there. You don't have time for your wife, you don't have time for your kids. Even when you are back from work, your kids, when they ask you, daddy, what's this, you go there, you don't even pay attention to your family, and you tell me you are the head of the family? Are you joking? You are not. You don't know when your wife is happy. You don't know when your wife is sad. You don't know when your kids are happy. You don't know when your kids are sad. You don't even know when your kids are doing well in school. You don't know when they are not doing well. All you know is work, work, work. Then you give them money, and that is all. The most painful thing of it, the money they even provide will not be able for the woman to take care of the kids or the maintenance of the house in a month. The woman still needs to spend her money. How do you expect a woman to respect you? What does it take to be a head of a family? Just be, yes, I'm the father, I have kids, yes, because I married the woman, then I'm the head of the family, when you don't even know what's up about your family, and you're telling me you are the head of the family? Have a rethink, okay? Sit down and have a rethink. Being a head of a family, what it means to be a head of a family. Men, wake up. Wake up. Don't allow your wife to take that crown from you, because she will take the crown from you when you fail to do your duties, your responsibilities as the head of the family. Read my lips. As the head of the family. If it is the woman that is doing all that, she's going to take that crown from you. Don't cry. Don't cry, because you are the cause. So men, repent, okay? If you belong to that category that say, I'm the head, shut up, I'm the head. You're always claiming right that you are the head when you don't even know the whereabouts of your kids, when you don't even know the well-being of your kids, when you don't know how your kids can wear clothes. You don't even know how they are performing in schools. You don't even know how their life is going about. You can't even play with your kids. The best play you can play with your kids is scream on them. You scream on them. That's the best moment you have with your kids. Go out. Go and sit there. Go to your room. Go and do this. You cannot even carry their book one day to say, let me see how my daughter is performing in school. No. If the woman don't take care of that, every other thing nobody does. And you're telling me you are the head of the family. You are not. If you know you are the head of the family, you must take responsibility. Okay? Responsibility as the head. If you want a woman to respect you as the head, it's not by force. Is your, how will I put it? Is your act that will make the woman to respect you as the head. They don't beg for respect. You own respect from every woman because you are the head. But when you're not doing the things as the head of the family, the woman now becomes the head of the family. Okay, guys, so I just thought I should rant today, talk about this topic, being the head of the family, because so many men are getting it wrong. They are getting it wrong. I'm the head of the family. You are getting it wrong. Wake up. Being a head of the family means you take responsibility as a man. Take responsibility of your family. Be prepared to do everything it takes to be a father or a mother for your family. If you are the head, do it, okay? Not just making out I'm the head of my family. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I just say I should do something different from what I share on my page. You guys know I do talk about stuff like this before. I stopped. I just said let me come out again to talk about some things that are not normal, some things that are not cool, okay? Some things that we see every day in every home that are not cool. The women are suffering. Some women are suffering. Some men will say, I'm the head. And what kind of head are you? When the woman is doing everything, you are just there. You are just there saying, I'm the head. Wake up, okay? Wake up.